Nais po nating pasalamatan ang Fun Fact sa kanilang pagkilala sa ating mahal na hepe, PAO Chief Persida V. Rueda Acosta bilang isa sa Top 10 Best Filipino Lawyers Living Today by Specialty.
Naglabas nga po ang Fun Fact ng video content at dito, inisa-isa nila ang mga mahuhusay na abogado na nabubuhay sa kasalukuyan na may malaking ambag sa paghubog ng legal justice system sa Pilipinas.
At syempre, ang ating hepe ay kinilala sa larangan ng legal aid pro-poor justice. Dito ay ibinahagi nila ang katangi-tanging pagganap ng tungkulin at liderato ng ating hepe sa Public Attorney's Office, lalo na sa pagtatanggol sa mga maralitang Pilipino sa ngalan ng batas at hustisya.
Kaya naman,
Congratulations po, PAO Chief Persida Acosta!
At kung nais po ninyong mapanood ang nasabing video, ay magtungo lamang po kayo sa YouTube channel ng Fun Fact o sa Facebook page po ng ating hepe, Persida V. Rueda Acosta na nasa pinned videos.
Ayan,
Muli,
maraming salamat po, Fun Fact! At syempre, sa milyon-milyong kliyente ng PAO!
Number 6 is Persida V. Rueda Acosta. Rueda Acosta is the Chief Public Attorney of the Philippines and the longtime head of the Public Attorney's Office, or PAO. Persida earned her Bachelor of Science degree, cum laude, from the University of the East, Manila. She initially pursued legal studies at the Ateneo de Manila School of Law, where she was a Dr. Antonio del Castillo Memorial Scholar. She later transferred to the University of the East College of Law after being offered a President Dalupan Scholarship, and completed her Bachelor of Laws there in 1987. She took the Philippine Bar examinations in 1989 and placed 4th overall. She later went on to UP Diliman, where she earned her Doctor of Social Development. Why is Rueda Acosta included among the top 10 best Filipino lawyers living today? She serves as the lawyer of last resort for millions of ordinary Filipinos. Under her leadership, the Public Attorney's Office became one of the country's most visible legal defense institutions, handling massive numbers of cases and giving voice to the poor, the overlooked, and the powerless. Her work has been recognized nationally, including the Outstanding Individual for Government Service Award from VACC and the Lingkod Bayan Award, the Philippines' highest honor for public service. This unmatched legacy of legal aid is why Persida Rueda Acosta belongs in the top 10.
Maraming salamat po sa Fun Fact, pero sorry po, hindi po, wala pong butas ang taeng ako, wala pa akong ikaw. So, AI yata yan. Wala pong ikaw, walang butas po. Wala po akong kuntas din, at saka ikaw.
Alahas.
Kaya medyo okay naman. Alatang hindi tayong gumawa ng video. Thank you pa rin po sa pagkilala, sapagkat nakasama po tayo sa
Top 10!
minsan, magugulat ka na lang. Sabi nga noon, nung bata tayo, pagka nag-aaral sa eskwelahan, gawin mo ang mabuti, kahit silently, mapapansin mo, at mapapansin ka rin ng iba, at bigla na lang may darating na mga pagkilala sa'yo. At hindi mo kailangan sabihin kilalanin ka, dahil talagang mga tao ang kikilala sa'yo.